dig. I am here with my niece, Alexis. Alexis is my assistant today. In charge of the camera today. So today we're joyful. Look how my niece pretty. Look how she's pretty. But yeah, we're going to
Mega Mart and Candy Crush.
yes, Mega Mart and Candy Crush. Alright, so hi guys, I am back with my niece Alexis, who looks very afraid because we're going to do something new today. So these are called Miracle Fruits. It's reversed on the camera. What they do is that they pause your sour taste buds for like 10, 15 to 20 minutes. So everything that you eat that is sour tastes sweet. So we are going to try it today. Alexis is nervous because there's a couple things on the menu
that I don't eat.
but it doesn't hurt to try new things. So we're gonna go ahead and try them. First things first, there are a couple of stuff here that we haven't tried yet. So we're going to do a first reaction taste, and then after taking, I told you this, girl, don't look at me like that. I told you this. We're gonna do our first reaction on camera taste. We have a couple new stuff, and then we're gonna have the Miracle Frooties and then taste it after and see if there's a difference or, you know, whatever. So we'll be back. Alright, so the first thing on our menu is
Goat cheese.
goat cheese. I've never had goat cheese, but I heard it tastes really good. So this is the goat cheese here.
I never heard that.
Looks like
Yogurt.
yeah,
Yogurt.
well, if you want to try the swallow yogurt, let's try it. Dig in.
Why you have to take such a big piece?
I want to fuck to go. You try taking enough where you taste it. Lord, me regret taking this now.
Oh, it's
okay.
not bad.
On 3, 1.
Vinegar.
You better do this. 2,
Oh God.
3. Hold on. How I can describe it?
Nasty.
How I can describe it? I hear a piece of goat cheese this from my hand, child. How I can describe it? That's a very, very tangy taste. It's very sour.
Oh, it tastes spoiled.
And it's not the best. It's not the best. It's not the best. So the next thing on our item is salt and vinegar chips. Baileys. I've never had these.
I heard people say it.
I heard people talk about it too, but I don't know what they taste like. So we're going to.
I might
try
even
it.
like it after this.
Alright, smell test.
Smell like it smell how I can describe?
Smell the vinegar.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I don't really smell it. It smell like the cheese one.
So, cheers. Why you always keep taking out the smile? You know, God, you are blind. I'm going to start to do something fair. You know, say, cheers. Oh my God. No. Wait. Why were you coughing?
Because the someone has hit me a while ago.
Alright, there's a very strong taste of vinegar in this one. It hits you. The chips is good. but the vinegar it's a lot. Guys, so the next thing on our menu is smog balls.
Like
Smog.
like smoke and fog.
Yes, but they're sour, so we've never had them, so we're gonna do a taste test for them now and see.
I never tried grapefruit either. So.
You never tried grapefruit?
No.
Yeah, they're foolishness, yeah.
Yeah, I never tried grapefruit.
So bro, what do you for
I
talk?
heard that it was extremely sour, so I never tried it before.
Your daughter never tried grapefruit?
No.
We're gonna talk later, Tamra. Alright, choose one. I'll take the pink eye.
Oh, it looks like that.
I'll match my shirt. Alright.
I tried these.
Ooh!
Ooh, these are nice.
It is good, but they're not that sour.
Not even sour. Maybe on the back. Oh, that's so sweet. What you this?
So they're sour on the inside, guys. A bit mad.
No, it's so.
So it's very sour. This one is very sour. Oh my goodness.
Why you go bite it?
Oh. Okay, so we have one more candy. It's Mike and Ike sours. You know that bad leg say.
No, we come still and chew it.
Wait until she try the grapefruit. Anyway, Mike and Mike and Ike sours. These are one of my favorite candies, but I've never tried the sour one, so we're gonna head and try them. Go ahead. This one, yeah.
Oh!
This one is definitely sour. Oh my god. No, my mouth that one. This one is definitely sour, guys.
This is good, but it's sour.
Oh my gosh. It's good. It's good. I would recommend this. Definitely. So Alexis has never tried grapefruit. So she's never tried grapefruit, so Alexa, you're welcome, Tamra. So I have you witnessing this on camera for your daughter's first try of grapefruit. I'm so disappointed. Go ahead, Lexi.
Because I heard what I tastes like that. I had never even tried before, but this time.
Go ahead, sweetheart.
It's
That is grapefruit.
wow.
That is grapefruit.
No!
I'm so disappointed.
This is not okay. You know, like the orange peel?
Oh,
Yeah,
the
that's
bitter side.
that's what it tastes like.
Okay, so we're gonna take the Miracle Berry, and I think we have to wait like 10 minutes for it to dissolve. So we're gonna do that and then come back. Yeah, she's gonna watch something in the meantime.
Wow.
Okay, guys, we're back. I must say,
It's horrible.
it's not horrible.
It tastes like prunes.
It tastes like prune. So it's like you're sucking on a prune seed.
And
It's not. She don't like prune, so don't knock it till you try it. So we have a bunch of stuff here that we're going to try. Lexi says she wants to try the lime first, so we're gonna try the lime, and then we're gonna gradually move on to like the green apples and stuff. So we have lime, green apple. So the lime first. Let us see. Cheers. lemonade or a slushy, a lemon slushy.
Wow.
So we have the green apple snacks, the Granny Smith
I
apples.
like them sour.
She likes them sour. So let's see.
It tastes like regular apple.
It tastes like sweet apple. No, my gosh.
Just like regular apple. Oh, it's sweeter
It's
than the
sweet.
regular.
It's sweet.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit next.
I don't like it.
She didn't like it, but let's see.
Right. I'm
Cheers.
finishing the apple. You try it first.
Alright. That's good.
I can take one of these home.
You hear that? She wants one of the pills to take home. Like, this is really good. This is really good.
I can stop drinking iced tea.
Mm.
Just get some.
This is so good.
The chips.
The chips. The chips.
Let's try the goat cheese last. Pickles.
So we have the pickles.
We're not trying the goat cheese right now. Alright.
Here we go. That's gross, like say. Alright. It tastes like relish.
I really like relish, but this tastes good.
This tastes good.
If my mom is like, Lexi don't eat pickle.
Okay. Documenting,
Lexi
Tamara.
don't eat
You are
pickle.
welcome.
Ready?
Wait. Yeah.
It still smells disgusting.
Here we go. Train.
No, I still don't like it.
No, it's not bad this
No, I
time.
don't like it still.
It's not bad this time.
Yeah, it don't taste that bad, but I still don't like
It tastes like sour cream. It tastes like sour
I
cream,
don't like sour.
but it still has that
Nasty taste.
ridiculously tangy taste. Ugh. All right. I've never tried this, but it's to block the sour. Should I advertise? Anyway, it's from Candy Craze, guys. So Candy Craze, Sour Lips.
Ready?
Ready? In.
These are just sweet.
I like this. This
These
is good.
remind me of the candies I used to have at school. You know, like they had these like exact same lips, and they were redder than this, and they had them on a stick like.
Oh.
Lips. I used to eat
They
those.
still have those?
Yes, they still sell them.
Wow.
Yeah.
A long time I didn't see them. So
I haven't eaten this in a long time.
we have warheads.
Actually, sour ones.
They are extremely sour, and we also have toxic waste. So you tried these already. They're very sour. This blue one you wanna do?
Yeah.
Go again and choose a pink, cause it match my shirt.
Yeah, and I choose the blue one. That one. It's still sour.
Yeah, these are really sour.
To the point where it's still sour.
These are really sour. Okay, so we're going back in
The smug balls.
with the smug ball.
This-
What is this? What's going on here?
Something's wrong.
Alright, so we're going. Extremely sweet. Are we beginning?
Ready?
Yeah. I don't taste any.
You're not sour.
I don't taste any sourness.
It's sweet.
It's real. Oh.
I want this.
Alright, so Lexi's gonna try the Mac and Mac.
Thanks, I'm picking the
Oh, so okay.
Oh.
I taste the sour one in this. So Mike and I will always be the best. So
Or maybe 9 people.
so let's see. Cannot have what I'm gonna try now.
So you kick out just in time. Oh, South America actually took for this thing.
She can't try. I'm gonna try Campari, and I'm also gonna try Guinness. So they say Guinness should kind of taste like iced coffee. I don't like Guinness. I don't know who really likes Guinness except I want to know a female that likes Guinness. I really do. So
I never know sure who like Guinness, to be honest.
right, bottoms up. Yes, it does. It does taste like coffee, but very black coffee. I'm not tasting the Guinness in it like that stout flavor. So I'm going in to try the Campari. Now, I don't know who came up with this drink. I don't know why it is loved. It is so bitter, but I feel like the majority of people who love this love Cersei or love drink Cersei Bush. So you know what? Not even Miracle Berries can help this thing. It tastes like the worst tasting medicine. You know Buckley's? If you don't know Buckley's, you don't know what I'm talking about. Buckley's, it's not even on the market now. I don't even see it. But it didn't taste like Campari, but it tastes like Buckley's. Alright, so Lexi is obviously enjoying these gummies here. We don't. You what? Oh, should I get down in the candy now? Should I get down in the candy? So guys, thank you for tuning in. We're actually out of stuff to try. We're just kind of enjoying the few candies that we have left, and we're gonna share it with her brother, my other nieces and nephews, everybody else. So I do hope you have a fantabulous day and an extraordinary week. You share, child. Friends share, guys. Until next time. And if you want to try these, I don't know. Should I do something with them?
Give me.
I don't know. Maybe.
Give me.
But if you do want to get them, they are sold on Amazon. Just type in the Miracle Frooties and you will see them there. So until next time, bye bye.